Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove or how to add some action into your control center on iPhone. So the control center must be a part of your iPhone that will be appear whenever you slide this right upper corner into the downside. Let's just try to slide it down. And here is the control center, and now you can just add several actions into this section or remove some of them. So you just need to visit the settings, and after that scrolling down until you find the control center. And whenever you find the control center, you just need to go click it, and here is the control center that you have. So if you want to remove the actions, you just need to go click this minus button and confirm that you want to remove. And now if you want to add some action, you just need to find what actions that you want to use. So let's say you want to get this dark mode, and then you just need to go click it. Or if you want to have this code scanner, go click this plus symbols in the left side, and they will be automatically added into your control center. And how to check it, you just need to slide this part down into the downside, and you can see that one item is already added into your control center. So that is the way how to remove and how to add the control center. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.